If you have a problem with weight management, suffer from milk allergies, or even follow a strict vegan diet, you may be at risk for vitamin D deficiency. You may have recently discovered that you or someone you know is lacking in this vitamin. Vitamin D deficiency and insufficiency have become a worldwide public health issue, affecting an estimated 1 billion people. Hi people, welcome to the Healthy Boost channel. We make sure to get you a healthy boost every single day. And in today's video, we're concentrating on vitamin D, which is extremely important. What signs show a deficiency? How will it affect our body? And why is it a serious problem? Keep watching to find out. Number 1. Easily getting sick. One of vitamin D's most important functions is to keep your immune system strong so that it can fight off illness-causing viruses and bacteria. It interacts directly with the cells that are in charge of fighting infection. Low vitamin D levels may be a contributing factor if you get sick frequently, especially with colds or the flu. A link between a deficiency and respiratory tract infections like cold, bronchitis, and pneumonia have been discovered in several large observational studies. If you're feeling sick often, better to check your doctor and don't forget to like the video. Number 2. Bone and back pain. Vitamin D is beneficial to bone health in a variety of ways. Vitamin D increases the absorption of dietary calcium by 30 to 40% and phosphorus absorption by 80%. Only 10 to 15% of calcium and 60% of phosphorus are absorbed without it. Because of that, the lack of calcium may cause bone and back pain. Make sure to eat foods high in vitamin D as it promotes calcium absorption in the gut and maintains blood calcium levels to prevent these illnesses. Number 3. Excessive fatigue and tiredness. Tiredness can be caused by a variety of factors, including vitamin D deficiency. A woman with chronic daytime fatigue and headaches was found to have a vitamin D blood level of only 5.9 nanograms per milliliter in one case study. This is extremely low, as anything less than 20 nanograms per milliliter is considered deficient. But when the woman took a vitamin D supplement, her level increased to 39 nanograms per milliliter and her symptoms resolved. If you are having excessive fatigue and tiredness, it may be a sign of vitamin D deficiency. Consult your doctor first before taking vitamin D supplements. Number 4. Hair loss. Stress is often blamed for hair loss, and it is true that it's a common cause. But if you notice more hair is falling out of your head than usual, you might be suffering from a lack of vitamin D. Some hair loss treatments use vitamin D to help solve the issue, but that's not the only way. You can also eat foods that are best for hair growth. You might also contact a health professional to find the root of the problem. Alarming, right? Well, please don't forget to subscribe for more healthy news. Number 5. Wounds take forever to heal. Slow wound healing after surgery or injury could indicate that your vitamin D levels are low. According to the findings of an in vitro study, vitamin D regulates growth factors and other compounds that form new tissue, and thus plays an important role in wound healing. They discovered that people with leg ulcers are more likely to be deficient in vitamin D. They also discovered those who took 50,000 international units of vitamin D every week for 2 months had better wound healing. Number 6. Depression. Depression is no joke, but a depressed mood could indicate a vitamin D deficiency. Vitamin D receptors are found in the brain, and research suggests that the vitamin has an anti-inflammatory effect. As a result, someone who has very low vitamin D levels and is depressed may benefit from taking vitamin D as a supplement. If you're experiencing extreme sadness, lack of appetite, and fatigue, better to talk with your friends and family. Number 7. Bone loss. Calcium absorption and bone metabolism are both aided by vitamin D. As you get older, it's pretty common to experience aching bones, but this could be a sign of vitamin D deficiency. Low bone mineral density indicates that calcium and other minerals have been lost from your bones. Fractures are more likely to occur in older adults, particularly women. It's critical to get enough of this vitamin as you age if you want to keep your bone mass. Number 8. Muscle pain. Muscle pain has a variety of causes that are difficult to determine. There is some evidence that vitamin D deficiency in children and adults may be a cause of muscle pain. If you notice that your muscles feel more sore than normal and take forever to get back to normal after an exercise, you may be lacking in vitamin D. Try adding foods that are high in vitamin D to your diet to avoid this kind of feeling. Number 9. Deformities of the teeth. If your children are experiencing a malformation of teeth, it might be caused by the lack of vitamin D. Vitamin D is essential for the health of our musculoskeletal system. Its deficiency can be caused by lack of exposure to sunlight or a lack of nutrients in the diet. This can have an impact upon the oral health of your child, including resulting in chronological hyperplasia, enamel defects. It's still best to consult your dentist to find the solution for the problem. Knowing these signs of vitamin D deficiency will surely give us a head of information that will help us prevent minor and major illnesses. If you think that you have a deficiency, let us know in the comments section below. What signs helped you figure it out? To stay up to date with our latest Healthy Boost video, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on the bell notification so you don't miss out on anything we upload. Are you curious about the causes of having poor blood circulation? Or are you more interested in knowing the foods high in protein that you should be eating? Choose your favorite and give yourself an extra healthy boost today.